Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today's video we're going to be reviewing the Solo Titanium Trimmer Micro Touch. Yeah, this is a product I've been wanting to try for a while. It's for guys who have facial hair, beard, goatee, or women if you got a beard. I guess you could use it. Yeah, so let's just get right into it. We'll take a look at it, unbox it, and give it a try. Alright, just a personal disclaimer. This does not claim to give you a razor close shave. This is simply a trimmer. I guess you could shave your beard off with it, but it's mainly just to maintain your beard. But it's some micro, tough, Solo Titanium trims, edges, and grooms. Full body you can trim. You can edge, or you can groom. Dual-sided blades cuts through beards with ease. Again, I'll stress nowhere on here does it make this claim to give you a razor close shave. This is mainly just a trimmer. Although I did notice somewhere it did say it would give you stubble. You don't take it down to stubble. Right here it is. Trim to a perfect stubble. Edges, sideburns, beards, goatees, mustaches. It does come with a handle, one cutting head, 3 trimmer combs, 1 USB charging cable, and 1 cleaning brush. So let's get this open and see what we got to work with here. Alright, pretty good packaging. It comes pretty decent packaging. Now let me first state this is not a as seen on TV product, but it is on the same aisle as the as seen on TV products. As you can see, it comes just like it stated. It comes with the trimmer, 3 guides, charging cord, of course, instructions. I'm assuming how you say that word? That paper nobody reads. So we get it open here. Yes, just as I figured. Instructions, arbitrary agreement. Yeah, we don't need all that. Well, we might need it, I don't know. Now, I will make a confession. I did take this out earlier just to charge it, so it'll be ready for the video. As you can see, get the camera to focus. And I'm sorry for the lighting. It's a little dark. I'm in the cabin. Y'all haven't seen the cabin, have you? There's the upstairs. There's the stairs to get up to the upstairs. That's the cabin. Alright, enough of that. We'll get back to this another day. But as you can see, it has, I'm trying to show you. It's hard to get that angle where you can see it looks like it has a typical razor blade like a normal razor, but it's not. It's little cutting heads like regular trimmers. Super quiet. Has a light, I guess, so you can see what you're doing. It is USB rechargeable. Get that out. As you can see, it's USB rechargeable with the proprietary cord. Man, them fancy words hard for me to say. Yeah, you have to use their charger. So they've got that covered. And of course the heads, trimming guide heads. Let's see what we got here. I'm getting them out for you. I'm doing this right here under the ceiling fan light because it's the only light I have. I don't have my camera lights with me. But you have 3 links, and they're not marked what the links are. So the package probably says somewhere, probably in the instructions I didn't read. Oh, what's this? Oh, it comes with a cover for the head, little cap or whatever you want to call it. Give me just a second, folks. Oh, wait a minute. It does have a mark, and you just barely can see it. I had the light hit it just right, and I noticed it. So let me get them in order. 5 and 3. Okay. So you have a 1 millimeter. I don't know what that length that is. It's millimeter, I guess. And then you have a 3 millimeter length. And then you have a 5, which I can tell that's pretty long. What I would do, I would start out with the biggest one, trim, and if it's not the way you want it, go down to the next one until you find the size you like. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to scare you. I intentionally let my beard get pretty ragged, for this. I had to wait. I bought this 4 or 5 days ago, and I waited, let it get pretty rough. Can you see? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to look at the mirror here while being right here. Now, again, let me state, personal disclaimer, nowhere on the package does it say it's going to give you a razor close shave. So if you're expecting that, this probably isn't the product for you. I don't know how well this is going to work, folks. I may mess my beard up. All right. I'm scared. Oh, wow, it cuts good. I got to be careful. I'm scared. This thing cuts good. One slip, my beard's gone. Let me get up in here. I know we don't show on the camera, but I haven't picked a razor up in 3 or 4 days, and it's pretty scruffy looking. You can see what it does there. I don't care if it messes there. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's cutting whatever's there. And I don't feel it pulling. Now, let me state, you have a cutting head. You have a cutting head on the front and a cutting head on the back. So you can go forward and back. It's just like a razor. Except for the fact it's not a razor. So I guess it ain't just like one. It works just like one. But it's more of a clippers. I will try to get close enough to show you the clipper head part, but it won't focus. You can kind of see it there. All right. Let me pay attention and don't mess my beard up. This is scary. I'm telling you, folks, I can already tell it does a good job. It doesn't pull or snag or, I don't feel it doing anything like that. I know you've gotten cheap clippers before, and they'll pull and snag at your beard. And I know this ain't the most romantic thing to see. You guys understand what I'm doing. The ladies, you can go ahead and turn it off if you want to. I understand you don't want to see this. Oh, I almost went too high. I gotta be careful, because this thing, my beard will be gone. One slip and it would be gone. This thing cuts good. Oh yeah, it's. I can see it, a little stubble. Oh, and I can feel it. Of course, you didn't notice it, but I had 3-day growth stubble where I haven't been shaving, and that's all gone. Now it's just every guy's beard is different, so I don't know how to describe it. You can still feel it. Let's just say for the guys, let's say you shaved this morning. That in the afternoon, say 5, 6, 7 o'clock, that kind of rough feel you have. That's what it feels like. It feels like I might have shaved this morning, and it's later in the day, way in the night. You kind of get that little rough, scratchy feel. So that's not bad. I mean, if you're in a hurry, like me, if you wake up late or something, or you just kind of scruffy, you need to clean up real fast, you could very quickly, I make sure it wasn't on, very quickly just knock it down real quick, just to kind of take the edge off, So yeah, I like it. I paid $23.97 at Walmart for this. Now on the shelf showed $29.95, but I got the Walmart app on my phone, I always scan the barcodes, and it came up $23.97. Why an odd number like that, I don't know. So when I got to cash register, I scanned it and made sure, that it was going to charge me $23.97, and it did. Now I'm going to continue. I just got this, got it out today, like I said, so haven't used it. I've been waiting for this. First impressions, as far as the cutting, now this thing could get dull and just be murder on your face. I don't know. This is the first time I've used it. But as far as first impressions, I like it. Nice smooth cut. It didn't pull, didn't snag it, at the hair, beard hair. Quality wise, this thing weighs nothing. I bet it don't weigh, it probably don't weigh 7 or 8 ounces. I mean, it's just enough you got something in your hand. It is a plastic body. There's the power button right here, right there. That light's on the back side. It is a plastic body, but it feels like, it's not that real cheap, flimsy old plastic. It's pretty solid. I'm not going to do it, but I feel like I could break it like this, but it would take a lot of effort to break it. It's a real solid, heavy plastic. The guides, I'm going to do that later. I just don't want to do it on camera because I won't be paying attention. I'll mess my beard up. But later, probably in the morning or night, I'm going to use the guides, see how well it, cleans up the beard. I don't want to do it now because I won't be paying attention. I've been worrying about the camera, and I know I'll just destroy it, and I'll have to start all over. I don't want to do that. But yeah, that's pretty much my opinion. I like it. First little time playing with it, I like it. As far as comfort goes, super smooth, just like using a regular razor. It didn't snag, pull, or anything like that. Now, as time progresses, it possibly could. Them little teeth could get dull and it might start pulling. I don't know. We'll find out later. The reason I bought this, one, is just going to make it easier keeping my beard cleaned up. I usually get rid of my beard in the summer, springtime. I think I'm going to keep it this year. Quite a few people like it. I ain't going to get into all that, but, the people I like seem to like it, so I'm going to leave it. And I like beards too. If you go back through my older videos, you've seen where I'll switch between goatee and beard. I really enjoy a beard. It's just sometimes I don't feel like taking care of it. Keeping it all trimmed up. I don't let it get all ragged and homeless looking. I like to keep it trimmed up nice and neat. And keep it old. And, sometimes I don't feel like doing all that. So I'll get rid of it and do the goatee thing. That's a whole different subject. But it's the solo. Now I don't know if the camera, me looking at the camera, this is reversed. I don't know if it's going to come out like that in the video. I think I hit the setting to flip that around, and we'll find out. But it's a Solo Titan Micro Tough trimmer. Of course, it does all that. I don't think we'll be doing that though. Then it has all the. I'm trying to go slow so you can pause it and read it if you want to. Hopefully it's not showing up in reverse on the video. Yes. Now, like I said in other statement, other videos, Walmart products tend to vary depending on where you're at, what state, wherever, what city. In Kentucky and then in my town, this was $23.97. Advertised $29 something, but it rang up $23.97. Now, where you live, it could be $4 or $5 higher. It could be $4 or $5 cheaper. I don't know. I bought this because if you go in the men's section, the beard care section, and look at their razors, Remington has this exact same product. Looks exactly the same as that. Different color scheme and all that, but the exact same design. They want $89 for it. I don't want to spend $89. So, I decided to give this a try. 23 would say $25. Later on down the road, if it don't work, it's not a huge loss. It's not a huge hit. Unlike spending, 89 plus tax would say $100. I'm like, that's a pretty good hit for something that turns out to be junk. So I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to use it for a while. Probably about a week, because I usually maintain my beard every morning. I like to look presentable. I know I'm getting old and fat and out of shape, but I still like to look presentable. Mainly because the ladies like it. Whole different subject. But yeah, I'm gonna use it all week, and I'll maybe in a shorts video or something like that, or a community post or something. I'll let you know my true opinion of it, because I can't give an honest, true opinion right now, because this I've had it for a couple of days or a week, but this is literally the first time I've used it, and I really didn't use it then because I'm scared I won't be paying attention and whoosh, cut half my beard off. So yeah, I'm gonna use it for about a week, and I'll come back and let you know what I think about it. You may have to remind me. I'm terrible about remembering stuff like this. 6 months down the road, I'll remember. Just like my bug zapper. I've got the bug zapper in the cabin. It's just the weather we're having, there's no bugs out. It's done cooled back off and raining. But I've got it here and I've got it on. And I keep it right by my junk pile, so next time I go camping, I'll remember to grab it and take it with me. But that's another subject. So yeah, if you're thinking about getting this, I don't want to say run out and get it. But I think maybe just very first impressions for the price. Now we're basing it off the price. Remember the old saying, you get what you pay for. Basing it off the price, I think you'll probably be satisfied. Now if you got a huge beard that like I got a buddy, his beard comes down to here. All right, I'm back, folks. I'm actually recording. Oh, let me move you and get that out of the view. I know this is high quality production, people. No, I'm using my phone to record right now because I didn't charge my camera, and with the microphone plugged into my phone. Well, anyway, I had to stop it to answer the phone call. It was an important phone call, so I didn't want to skip it. I don't know where we was at. I lost track. But yes, we'll just say we're going to end the video right here. I say give it a try. My first impressions, a week, 2 weeks down the road, I may throw this thing in the trash. I don't know. It's the first time I've turned it on. Or not the first time I've turned it on, but the first time I've used it. But first impressions for the price of the product, $23, what did it say, $25. I feel like you can't go wrong. I mean, for $25, if you just use it 1 year, I think you got your money's worth. But I'm going to use it for a while. And if I can remember, I'll make a community post or shorts or something and let you know my true thoughts on it. Anyway, appreciate y'all hanging out. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. I want to say hello to all my friends, my families, my subscribers. Say hello to the folks who may have just been scrolling through and seen this. I appreciate you stopping. And yeah, till I see you next time, God bless you.